Valentine's Day is a great opportunity to express your love and affection to your significant other or even yourself because you are awesome. And what better way to do that than with some delicious bacon roses? In this video, I'll walk you through how to prepare this perfect Valentine's gift that will be sure to make your mouth water and your heart soar. Let's get into it. Before we get started, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll want to have a muffin pan, some kind of wire rack, aluminum foil, metal tongs, some fresh sage leaves, and of course, bacon. One of my favorite things about bacon is how versatile it is. There are just so many different things you can do with this one food item. Just like Podia's all-in-one platform for selling digital products. Whether you're selling online courses, memberships, digital downloads, running an email campaign, Podia can do it all. It's just delicious. I'm talking about the bacon. For our first step, we're going to lay the bacon strips out individually just like this. And then one at a time, we're going to roll them up like sleeping bags. Now we're going to prepare the muffin pan. Take a little bit of aluminum foil and line the wall. This is going to keep the bacon from unwrapping. Make sure it sits in there nice and snug and secure. Speaking of secure, anytime your customers make a purchase through your Podia store, you can rest easy knowing that their payment will be processed quickly and that everyone's information is protected and secure. Now we're going to use a little bit of artistry here and kind of bring out the top edges a little bit. This will help sell the rose look. And don't worry about getting it perfect. That's the beauty of working with bacon. You don't have to be a world-class chef to make tasty bacon. Just like you don't have to be a web developer to use Podia's tools. Setting up your online store is quick and easy and doesn't require any code whatsoever. Your storefront will be beautiful and tasty right out of the oven. Did someone say oven? It's time to crank that thing up. Go ahead and put your muffin pan in the center rack, turn your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and set a timer for 20 minutes. Once the timer goes off, let the muffin pan cool for about 5 minutes. Then using the tongs, carefully transfer your bacon rows from the muffin pan to the wire rack. This will allow the excess bacon grease to drip off into the pan. That reminds me, did you know that with Podia, you can set up an email drip campaign? It's super easy to set up and it's available for anyone who uses Podia to sell their digital products. Let the emails drip out and make that bacon. Like, make money. Making bacon. On to our last step. We're gonna get the plate or the platter that we're going to serve the bacon on, and then we're gonna go ahead and get our sage leaves and arrange them on the plate like rose petals. And now we'll carefully place our bacon roses. And there you have it. Just look at that. There's nothing like the smell of freshly cooked bacon. Nothing that is except Podia's amazing customer support team. People who use Podia can't say enough good things about our customer support. That's because to us, you're not just a customer, but you are a part of the family. And just like the delicious smell of bacon, we try our best to take care of your technical support needs and to make you feel at home. The last step is to taste test just one of the roses to make sure it's safe to eat. I'm just kidding. I know you've already eaten like 5 of them. Well, that does it for this tutorial. If you love bacon or you've been wanting to sell online courses, memberships, or other digital products, you can try Podia out by going to podia.com/signup for a free 14-day trial. Thank you for watching. May your hearts be filled with love and your homes be filled with the smell of bacon. Sometimes I roll my clothes up like this too if I'm packing for a trip. It makes it more compact and I can fit more clothes in the same bag. A little traveling pro tip. Ooh, there was a little bit stuck in the bottom there, so I had just a little taste. It's dangerous that they're like bite-sized because you can just pop it in.